Let's get real for a sec. Iran's not just about what you've heard in the news. Did you know it's got some of the hottest spots on Earth and streets filled with history stretching back thousands of years? Stick around because the last fact will totally blow your mind. And hey, if you're into discovering the cool and the unexpected, hit that like button and let's get started. 15. A land of fire. Alright, let's heat things up a bit. Imagine stepping into a place so hot, it's like walking on the sun. That's Iran's Lut Desert for you, clocking in temperatures at a sizzling 159.3 degrees Celsius. We're not kidding. That's the hottest ground temp ever recorded on this planet. This desert isn't just another stretch of sand. It's so bizarre and out of this world that scientists use it to figure out what being on another planet might feel like. So, next time you're complaining about the heat wave hitting your city, remember the Lut Desert. It's Earth's own natural oven, baking under a sun that doesn't know when to quit. Makes you wonder, if we can find places this extreme here, what else is out there, right? 14. Cool secrets of the desert. Now flip the script from the inferno to the ingenious. Deep in Iran's parching deserts, ancient engineers pulled off a marvel that'd make even modern architects pause. They built yakhchals, these massive ancient refrigerators, way before electricity was even a thing. We're talking about giant domes of mud and straw that could keep ice frozen through the scorching summers. Picture going back in time, wandering through the desert heat, and then stepping into one of these to grab a chunk of ice. It's like they had their own version of convenience store ice bags, just a few centuries early. If that doesn't cool you down and blow your mind at the same time, stick around, there's more where that came from. 13. Nature's alchemy. Ready for a color explosion that's not a work of Photoshop, but pure, unfiltered nature? Meet the Rainbow Mountains of Iran. This isn't your everyday hike. These mountains look like someone went wild with a paintbrush, splashing reds, yellows, oranges, and every color in between across the landscape. It's like the Earth decided to throw its own holy festival. This spectacle is the result of millions of years of minerals doing their thing, layering and compressing to create a visual feast. If you thought nature's palette was limited to greens and blues, Iran's Technicolor dreamscapes are here to show you it's got the whole spectrum covered. And just when you think you've seen all the wonders the world has to offer, bam! Nature hits you with its own masterpiece. 12. A deadly inheritance. Imagine a city with a guardian so fierce, it's not just the stuff of legends, but a real, slithering menace. Welcome to Bam, a place that's got more venomous snakes per square mile than anywhere else on Earth. This isn't your typical city guard, it's an army of nature's most adept predators, lurking in the shadows. While these serpents once served as a natural defense, deterring invaders from stepping too close, today they're a wild card that keeps both locals and curious travelers on their toes. It's a stark reminder of how nature can be both protector and challenger, woven into the very fabric of human history. 11. Underwater mysteries. Now, let's dive into something completely different. Picture this. Forests that don't reach for the sky, but are shrouded in the silent depths of the Caspian Sea. These aren't your run-of-the-mill underwater scenes. We're talking about ancient sunken forests with trees standing tall on the seafloor, creating a hauntingly beautiful underwater world. Discovered by divers exploring Iran's northern frontier, these forests offer a surreal peek into a past swallowed by the waves. It's like stepping into a lost world where time stands still among the ghostly silhouettes of trees. Between the land of venomous snakes and the silent submerged forests, Iran holds stories that blur the lines between the mystical and the real, showing us worlds where the past seems to live on in the most unexpected ways. 10. A breath of death. Imagine this, a wind so fierce it's not just whistling through the trees, it's reshaping the landscape, burying memories under a blanket of sand. In Sistan, there's a wind known as the 120-day wind, a force of nature that doesn't just howl for a night, but screams across the seasons. It's like nature's own eraser, capable of hiding entire villages from the map, making it a tale of survival for the people calling this land home. This wind isn't just weather, it's a relentless force, challenging everything in its path and testing the resilience of those who dare to live under its breath. 9. The vanishing foundations. Now, let's shift from the invisible force of wind to something solid, yet just as treacherous. Imagine building your home on a treasure trove that slowly eats away at your foundation. That's the story of Yazd, an ancient city perched on salt deposits. Here, the ground you walk on isn't just earth. It's a commodity that has been mined for centuries, leading to a ground so hollow it begins to collapse, swallowing history bit by bit. It's a city fighting a silent battle against the very wealth it stands on, a reminder of how the quest for resources can sometimes backfire, threatening to erase the very marks we leave on the earth. Between the destructive dance of the 120-day wind and the slow disappearance of Yazd, Iran's tales of survival against nature's most challenging tests are both awe-inspiring and a cautionary tale of the delicate balance between harnessing nature and falling victim to its might. 8. A Lilliputian mystery. Tucked away in northern Iran is a place that seems straight out of a fairy tale, but with a twist rooted in reality. It's Makhunik, a village famous not for its landscapes or ancient ruins, but for the unique stature of its people. Until not too long ago, the villagers here lived their lives standing just about 4 feet tall on average. This isn't fiction. It's a curious chapter of human diversity that has puzzled scientists and sparked all sorts of conversations about genetics and the environment's impact on human growth. It's a reminder of the incredible tapestry of human life and how different conditions can shape communities in the most unexpected ways. 7. Nature's masterpiece. From the mystery of human stature, we shift to the canvas of nature that paints itself anew each year. Imagine the driest, most barren patches of land you can think of. Then picture them bursting into life with colors so vivid, they'd put the best paintings to shame. That's the desert Kavir of Iran for you. For a brief period annually, this desert transforms into a living carpet of blooms, a spectacle of resilience and beauty that flourishes against all odds. It's as if the earth itself decides to remind us of life's persistence, turning the harshest environments into a celebration of colors. This fleeting miracle is a testament to nature's power to awe and inspire, reminding us of the beauty that lies in the resilience of life. 6. An eternal flame. In the heart of Yazd, there's a fire that refuses to go out, a beacon that's been alight for over 1,500 years. This isn't just any flame. It's a symbol deeply rooted in Zoroastrianism, representing purity and the relentless spirit of a belief system that has withstood the tests of time. Imagine the countless stories this flame has illuminated through the centuries, a silent witness to generations of devotion and change. It's a mesmerizing thought, isn't it? That in a world constantly moving forward, there exists a fire that simply keeps on burning, reminding us of the enduring power of faith and tradition. 5. Whispers of the unseen. Now, let's venture into the realm of the unseen, into Iran's landscapes that whisper tales of jinns or genies. It's a world where folklore isn't just a thing of the past, but a living, breathing part of the environment. The Valley of the Genies stands as a testament to these beliefs, a place so shrouded in stories of the supernatural that even the bravest locals tread carefully. This isn't about proving whether genies exist or not. It's about recognizing how deeply these stories are woven into the fabric of Iranian culture, shaping perceptions and respect for the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. In Iran, the line between the seen and the unseen blurs, inviting us to wonder about the realms that might exist just beyond our reach. 4. A subterranean world. Picture diving beneath the surface of Kish, not into water, but into a labyrinth of tunnels carved by hands centuries ago. The Karis isn't just a network of underground passages, it's a testament to ancient Persian engineering, an aqueduct-turned subterranean city. Over 2,500 years of history whisper from its walls, telling tales of survival, innovation, and the human desire to thrive in the face of adversity. It's mind-boggling to think about the generations that have walked these tunnels, each leaving their mark on a structure that has stood the test of time, offering a unique glimpse into the past and a remarkable example of what humans can achieve with ingenuity and determination. 3. A celestial anomaly. Now imagine a night so bright, it feels like day, courtesy of a celestial show that left everyone gazing skyward in awe. In 1977, Iran was the stage for an extraordinary meteor shower, a night when thousands of shooting stars turned the darkness into daylight. This wasn't just any stargazing event. It was a rare anomaly, one of the most significant meteor showers to ever grace our planet's skies. For one night, millions of people shared a moment of wonder, a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the breathtaking beauty that unfolds when we least expect it. It's moments like these that remind us of the magic and mystery that the universe holds, a spectacle that connects us all under one sky. 2. A crimson tide. 1. A game of kings. Now let's rewind time to where the game of polo truly began, not on the lush grasslands of England, but amidst the ancient empire of Persia. Known as chogan, this sport was far more than leisure. It was a display of skill, a test of valor, and a training exercise for elite cavalry units. Polo in Persia wasn't just a game. It was a reflection of society, of culture, and of the martial prowess that defined the nobility. Iran's gift of polo to the world is a testament to its rich cultural tapestry and its lasting influence across continents. It's fascinating to think of how this ancient sport has traversed time and geography, connecting us to a past where it was played not just for the thrill of the game, but as a celebration of skill, strategy, and horsemanship. And there you have it, a journey through Iran's most breathtaking and lesser-known tales. From the depths of ancient tunnels to the cosmic dance of meteor showers. Each story a thread in the rich tapestry of a land that continues to amaze and inspire. If you found yourself captivated, intrigued, or simply spellbound, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales that take you beyond the ordinary.